It's me again. What am I doing tonight? It's February. It was freezing cold for the last like 2 weeks. I haven't really been here. And tonight, since it is +3 out and it's still cold in here. I think shit's still frozen. I'll show you my thermometer. Hold on. See, this is my my thermometer here is. So yeah, we're still at T minus whatever. So basically, I'm trying to build a footstool bench. So I have the wood over there. I have to go and cut it. So I figured it was nice out. I'm gonna set up the wood. I'm gonna probably cut it 12 inches, and I already cut it this way, and now I gotta cut it this way. So watch me screw this up now. So hang in there, stay tuned, and I'll show you my little cut thing. And then after I'm done with the wood, I'm gonna route out the edges with the router and round it off. And I think I'm gonna start building the feet after. I think the feet are 16 inches, have to be around 16 inches high. So I gotta factor in the metal plate, the bar, and then the pads on the bottom. So probably a little metal pad with a like one of those sticky pads on the bottom, metal bar, another probably 8-inch plate, a little 2 legs, a bar in the middle, and then 2 legs, a bar in the middle, and a bar in the middle to hold it from going like this. But I had to get you the scrap pile for all that. So stay tuned and keep watching. I'm going to add to this video. Hello, YouTube. Can you hear me? Hope so. Anyway, this is the piece of wood I got. It is a 1-inch thick, 5 and something foot long piece of oak. And it is 5 foot 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is make it 5 foot. I'm going to make it 12 inches. So I am probably going to maybe just clamp a board on the side and see if I can get it to cut. So I'm not using the Chinesium, what do you call it, Pittsburgh saw guide, because I don't have a saw guide long enough. So I'm going to probably find a piece of wood that I think is straight, strap it to the side, and just use some clamps and clamp it down. So I'm going to get some tools, and you can watch what I'm doing from way over there. I didn't move my camera because I don't feel like it. I'll move it over in a minute, so stay tuned. Couldn't find my carpenter pencil, so I decided to use this thing. Oh, shit, like this. Got an old pencil sharpener, and if I go like this, these things work great. Almost. Put the pencil in there like so. You pull this out, and it pulls the pencil in. $8. Probably can't see it. I'll show you in a minute. I can't find my other pencil, so there we go. That'll work. That'll work. Right over here on the welder. No. 12 inches. Let me move the camera. What a shitty angle. Hello, folks. For the worst carpentry class ever, watch my channel here. I can probably go on the other side. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Let me move the camera. You know what? I'll have to get it down that side because this angle sucks. Sucky angle, sucky angle. Let's put the camera over here. It's all about the camera work, eh? Yeah. It's all about the angle of the dangle. Here we go. Okay, folks. If you want a good carpentry class, let me start this over. Let me stop and start here. If you want a really good carpentry class, skip this video. Just kidding. I'm not, carpentry is not my greatest forte, so I make stuff out of necessity, and basically I don't have $1 million to buy one of these benches, and you know what? Sometimes it's fun just to make stuff. So that's how you learn how to do things, basically. Learn how to make some cool stuff. What is that, a staple? Damn, there's a staple in there. I'll pull that out. So in case you missed the first episode of Bad Carpentry 101, I am making a kitchen bench. Why am I making a kitchen bench? Because if you look online, They're anywhere from like $200 to $300, and I got so much stuff in here, I might as well make one anyway. So, and in this video, I'm cutting the, what do you call it? Are these things lined up? Okay, good. I'm cutting my free piece of oak that I have that's 5 foot 3 inches here into a 12-inch wide piece, because apparently online the standard size, my earpiece is driving me nuts, it's making weird noises. What do you call it? The standard size for a bench is about 12 inches wide. Length, well, that's perfectly subjective, but I think a 5 foot long bench is fine. What am I going to do after I cut it? I'm going to round out both corners, and then I'm going to make a flat bar here and a flat bar here. 2 legs going out and the bar in the middle to hold it. So stay tuned. I'm going to get this saw, try to figure out. I might just eyeball it and cut it. Be easier. Let me do that. And I'll just straighten it out later. Stay tuned if you want to hear the worst. See the worst cut ever? It's coming. Folks, what am I doing? The usual, just messing around here. Not really. I'm gonna eyeball wing it, because I don't have a proper plate to cut this, so I'm just gonna cut it as straight as I can. Why the hell not, right? Well, folks, first problem is I think my cord's too short. I'm gonna have to go on the other side and plug it in. So yeah. Pretty sure I'm breaking some rule when it comes to cutting stuff. It's looking good. It ain't perfect, but it does the job. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now I got a... Ow! I got a splinter. That was fun. Splinters everywhere. Got splinters. Just tell me to shut up anytime soon. Alright, now we got the 5 foot board. I'm going to try to clean this up real quick, and I'll show you what I'm doing next. Stay tuned.